In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit quick links in Shopify Footer. This walkthrough will guide you through opening the theme editor, locating the footer settings, managing the menu that controls your quick links, and saving those changes so they appear on your live site. I'll keep it clear and practical, with a few helpful tips along the way. Begin by signing in to your Shopify admin and navigating to Online Store, then Themes. Find the theme you are currently using and click Customize. This opens the theme customizer where you'll make visual and layout changes. If you have multiple themes, make sure you're editing the one that's published or the one you intend to publish. Inside the theme editor, scroll down the page preview until you see the footer section. Click on the footer to open its settings. Depending on your theme, you might see different blocks or layout options. Look for a block labeled Menu or something similar. This is where the quick links in your footer are managed. Click that menu block to access the menu selection and settings. If you want to change which set of links appears in the footer, use the Change menu option and pick a different menu from the list. Editing the actual links shown in that menu happens in the main Shopify admin under Navigation. So, exit the customizer and click Navigation in the left-hand admin menu. Find the specific menu you are using for the footer, commonly named something like Footer Menu, and open it. Within the navigation area, you can add new items by choosing Add Menu Item, providing a clear title for the link, and selecting its destination, a page, a product, a collection, or an external URL. To alter an existing link, click on that item to edit its title or destination. Removing a link is done by deleting the menu item. You can reorder your links by dragging them into the desired sequence. This order will be reflected in the footer once saved. After making changes in navigation, return to the theme customizer to preview how the footer looks within your chosen layout. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner of the editor to apply the changes to your live site. As a final tip, test the links on both desktop and mobile to ensure they display correctly and lead to the intended destinations. Keep link names concise and user-friendly to help visitors navigate quickly.